guys, I'm playing Clash Royale again. And I think you are thinking that I'm looking different because I had a haircut recently. So I have got a amazing thing. I think you can see it below this. A giant chest. Let's donate him a giant. We are gonna do classic challenge and a battle. Let's open it up. I can't wait for it. 1,790 gold. Massive amount of gold. Oh, a dark prince. Battle them. Give it some special. I think it will be common. Yes, but oh, 230 motor. Pretty nice. Didn't get a legendary. Let's start the classic challenge. But we are first gonna do ordinary type of battle. Frozen Peak. Gaint. 8-bit awesome. Starting with the Musketeer. And I'm going with the Furnace. Oh. Here's my Inferno. Oh, he's done a real maximum just damage to the furnace, and my furnace is gone, so it can't take the damage anymore. I'm going with the Princess and the Goblin Barrel combo. Yeah, I've done a massive amount of damage, and that's enough for a one combo. So that is nice. And he's a bit angry because last time his minion horde, a swarm card, get totally crushed against my arrows. And now his Goblin Barrel got totally crushed against my Fire Spirits. And he must be angry now also because his elite Barrions did not deal a lot of damage. Oh, his thumbs are up. So I think he's got some special for. I think his deck must be so costly that his thumbs are up for the double elixir. We have got only 1 minute left. Oh boy. Counter him. But I can't. He took my tower earlier than I take his. No, I also took down his tower. That's fair now. I'm going with the Furnace, but I can't help my Inferno Dragon. And what to do now? Battle ends in some time, I know, but he has Zap, I know. I have to put all my cards that I've got to defend and to attack. I'm going with the Goblin Barrel. It's a pretty nice card to have fun with. I'm going with Furnace, but I can't assist that Inferno Dragon. I've seen all the time in this battle that his minion horde cannot even touch me because of my Fire Spirits or those arrows. I cannot let him win because it's my turn to win. Oh, I should probably use my arrows. Yeah, I won. And he's now fourth time angry at me. The silver chest again. 2 crowns left, and let's do the classic challenge. Let's see if we can win. What a creepy name he has. I'm starting with the furnace. Oh, 2 goblin barrels. That's not good, but I'll make it good. Hey man, I have also a goblin barrel. Don't think that you only have the goblin barrel in the world. So, I have nothing to convert, but my fire spirits will assist my Inferno Dragon, and that's good. Not good, very good. Oh, he's using his Goblin Barrel like that. I've never seen players using them Goblin Barrels like that. But I seen this fella doing it. So I'm going with the Skeleton Army to kill that creepy giant, and using the Goblin Barrel to deal a lot of damage. I think he has the Skeleton Army. No, he has the Fire Spirit. Oh, I totally missed this one. So, what should I do? Oh, he has the Sparky. I should use my princess to not kill the Sparky, but do some amount of damage. Oh, that's not good. That's not fair, boy. Yes, the Sparky wasted its attack into my princess, and luckily I shot down that Sparky. It was gonna hit once. Once is enough for a massive amount of damage. Sparky, come on. That's surely not good. Oh, he has the swamp car. Come on, waste your attack. Do some damage. Means my troop. It was this close, this. And why is he having so much Sparkies? Why? Oh, what was that? Again and again, twice. That's not fair, boy. That's not fair. I'm going to princess to distract that Sparky. No, come on. Oh boy, that's not good. Surely not good. And he's thanking me. It was my mistake. The princess was too far. That's surely not good. I'm going to do another battle. It's third battle for me. And I have to necessarily win this one to go ahead in the tournament. He has the Royal Gaint. I'm going with the Inferno. Oh, that's the Valkyrie. I thought he must have Valkyrie, the Bonehead, and the Redhead. So I thought that going with the Inferno is the safest way to go through, but they have done a massive amount of damage, and that's surely not good. Come on, arrows, load up. Yo, I kill his minion horde, and that's good. Not good, very good. I'm going with the princess because he only has a level 4 wizard, and that's a good thing for me. But it will kill my princess in 2 shots. I should go with the furnace or not. I'm thinking of it. So he has the three musketeers. That's not good. And I should win this one because I lost the last one. And his skeleton giant got distracted by my goblins, and the Inferno Dragon took the advantage of it and killed it. That was pretty nice. If my Inferno Dragon did not kill that creepy skeleton giant, he would spawn a Valkyrie against me and my tower would be destroyed. Lastly, he did also that amount of damage by using those two. And this is not good. Three musketeers and everything he has is on my way. That's not good, boy. Do me some favor. Let me win this one. No, that's not good. No. Why? He was extremely difficult, so I didn't win. What a luck. I'm gonna complete the crown chest anyway. Come on, I want only one crown. He's starting with the wizard. Oh, nice. I should go with for furnace. What was he trying to do with his rage? Oh boy, that was a mistake. No, that was not a mistake. His spear goblins totally died. And that's good. I'm going with the Hog Rider, the Miner, and they should do a decent amount of damage or I'm gonna kill them. Yes, not I. They are gonna. His troops are gonna kill them. They killed him. Or them. Whatever. Oh, that's not the timing. But it is the timing, and I have the arrows, and the minion horde was not distracted, and he used a clone or nothing. His minion horde got killed earlier that then he cloned nothing. So that's good. Waste of 2 elixir. Good for me, not for him. I want good for me, not him. If I want good for him, I'll be losing. And he'll be winning. No, Goblin Barrel is a such good card and can deal 500 to 600 damage. But my Inferno is not less than them. Oh boy, that's not a good move, but I think it's a good move to take a Crown Tower. Oh boy, that's not surely good. I must be defending myself for 40 seconds on both sides because I have low HP left on both sides, so that's not good. Oh, he's been pushing and I don't like this. And he's Goblin Gang. Come on. No. And I should be using my